Episode 3: The Ignatian Journey and Formation of the Jesuits. Hello everyone. In our previous episode, we explored the early life and education of St Francis Xavier. Today, we dwell deeper into a pivotal phase of Xavier's life, his experiences with Ignatius of Loyola, and their combined role in the formation of the Society of Jesus, commonly known as the Jesuits. Xavier's encounter with Ignatius of Loyola. To understand St. Francis Xavier's journey, we must first explore his encounters with the remarkable Ignatius of Loyola. Xavier met Ignatius while studying in Paris, and it marked a turning point in his life. The influence of Ignatius. Ignatius of Loyola was a complex and charismatic figure. He was not a priest at that time, but was deeply spiritual and introspective individual. He had undergone a profound spiritual conversion, during which he had intense mystical experiences and formulated the spiritual exercises, a guide to deepening one's relationship with God. The vow on Montmartre Hill. One of the most critical moments of the Ignatian journey was the famous vow on Montmartre Hill, which we briefly touched upon in the previous episode. Here, Ignatius, Xavier, and few others made a vow to live in poverty and dedicate themselves to missionary work. It was a solemn commitment to serve the Church and spread the Christian faith. Formation of the Companions of Jesus. The group of friends who made this vow became known as the Companions of Jesus. They sought formal recognition from the Pope and pledged to be at the Pope's disposal for any mission work. They took vows of poverty, chastity, and obedience, and their dedication to the Church and its mission was unwavering. The first Jesuits. In 1540, Pope Paul III officially approved the group as a religious order, and it became the Society of Jesus. The Jesuits, as they came to be known, were distinctive in their approach to ministry, emphasizing education, self-discipline, and missionary work. Their commitment to the Pope made them a powerful and influential force within the Catholic Church. Xavier's role in the founding of the Jesuits. St. Francis Xavier played a significant role in the early days of the Jesuits. After his ordination as a priest, Xavier joined Ignatius and the other early Jesuits in forming the Society of Jesus. His missionary zeal and passion for spreading the gospel made him an invaluable asset. The first Jesuit missions. Xavier, along with his companions, embarked on their first mission, which took them to some of the most challenging and uncharted territories. They went to the Kingdom of Portugal, where they began their work in spreading the Christian faith. Global expansion of the Jesuits. The Jesuits would go on to become one of the most influential religious orders in the history of the Catholic Church. Their missions extended far and wide, and they played a crucial role in the spread of Christianity across Europe, Asia, the Americas, and Africa. emphasis on education and social justice. One of the hallmarks of the Jesuits was their dedication to education. Jesuit schools and universities became renowned for their academic excellence. Additionally, the Jesuits played a significant role in addressing social injustices and advocating for human rights. The Ignatian journey, marked by the encounters of St Francis Xavier with Ignatius of Loyola and the formation of the Jesuits, had a profound impact on the history of the Catholic Church and the spread of Christianity worldwide. Xavier's missionary spirit and the Jesuits' unwavering commitment to their missions left an indelible mark on the world. Thank you for joining me for this episode. In the upcoming episode, we will delve deeper into Xavier's specific missionary activities and explore the challenges and successes he encountered during his journeys. Stay tuned for episode 4, where we will explore Xavier's first mission to Portugal and his early missionary activities.